In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a section view in Revit from a floor plan. We'll walk through the entire process so you can place a clean, accurate section and open it right away. A section view is a cut through of your model, perfect for showing interior relationships, heights, and construction details. Starting from a floor plan is the fastest way to position it exactly where you need clarity. Begin by opening the floor plan where you want to place the section. It's important to be in the correct plan because the section line you draw here defines both the location and the direction of your cut. If the plan feels cluttered, a quick zoom in around the area of interest can make placement easier. Next, head to the View tab on the ribbon. This is where all your view creation tools live. In the Create panel, click Section. Your cursor will change, indicating you're ready to place the section line. Click once in the plan to set the start point of the section line. This first click marks where the cut begins. Then drag your cursor in the direction you want to look, and click again to set the end point. Think of the arrow as the viewing direction from the start toward the end. If you're aiming for a straight orthogonal cut, keep an eye on your alignment as you drag so the line is horizontal or vertical to the plan. Once the line is placed, adjust the section head and tail grips if needed to control the length and direction. Use the grips to extend or shorten the line so it spans exactly the portion of the building you want to cut. You can also tweak the depth grips to control how far the view looks beyond the cut line, which helps keep the section focused on the relevant area. If the arrow needs to flip, use the on-screen control so the view faces the correct way. As soon as you place it, Revit automatically creates a new section view in the project browser under Sections. This keeps your documentation organized without any extra setup. To see the result, double-click the section head symbol directly in the plan or open the new section from the project browser. Review what's shown to confirm you captured the right slice and depth. If needed, return to the plan and fine-tune the grips for a cleaner result. Finally, rename the section view if needed by right-clicking and choosing Rename. Use clear descriptive naming so you and your team can find it quickly later, and that's it. Your section is placed, accessible, and ready for detailing.